welcome back to my channel, Fidget. Today, I'm going to be doing a fidget haul of my newest fidgets. I think. Yeah, pretty much fidget. This thing I got is a slingshotting chicken. It's really fun to stretch and it's fun to watch. So let me show you. Okay, so I'm bad at this. This might take a few tries, by the way. And you can't. Who knows how high this chicken will go? Ah! Got it! That went backwards. Okay. That was painful. I'm still hurting. Okay. That was painful. Check into my eye. This into my eye. That really hurt. Okay. So let me run. And next thing I have are these bracelet fidgets. So yeah, I think it's like a cow. You stretch it. You put it on your wrist like a bracelet, and then when you take it off, it goes back into its original shape. And it's really fun to play with. And I also had whatever this is, and whatever that is, and the bunny. So yeah, that's all for my today's video, Fidget haul. So make sure to do the daily challenge, subscribe, like, and share, and have all your friends do that. And make sure to check out my 1 hour long video of my fidget videos. It was so much hard work. It's called 1 hour fidget videos, and it was so much fun. And thanks so much for my 2 new subscribers from that video, I'm guessing. And yeah. I'm going to get an ice pack for my eye after this.